Today in the shop, we are packing the PACKOUT. And before we get started, please make sure to take a moment to support the channel by dropping a like, hitting subscribe, and letting me know down in the comments what you're working on today. And with that, sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. So in today's episode, we are packing the PACKOUT in order to make a house call. And this mobile mechanic house call is going to be for my little sister's 2019 RAV4 to do some front brakes and also a diag on an odd error message she's getting on her dash related to her all-wheel drive. And because we're gonna actually take our RAV4 up to her, I'm not gonna bring the entire stack of PACKOUT. We're gonna actually just bring a couple boxes, fill them with the tools that we need, and kind of be a little bit more space conscientious versus taking the whole stack in the back of the truck bed. So right now, I'm gathering some of the core things that we're going to need. Grabbed a couple socket sets. You saw there the old reliable high torque to get the wheels off. As I'm sure